How to find account number on Bank of America app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can find account number on Bank of America app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find your account number on the Bank of America app, you can simply go ahead and then open the Bank of America application. Now for this, you first need to be signed into your Bank of America account. So accept the terms and conditions, tap the login option, then enter your user ID and your password and tap the login option. And once you are logged in, right on the home page, when you go to your current account pages, you'll be able to see your account number of Bank of America. Whether you have savings account, current account, a standard account, what kind of account you have, you'll be able to find your account number. That's all it takes to find account number on the Bank of America app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.